Hey everyone, today we're here talking about the Beyond Economy Pack 5-patient. We wanted to kind of let you know what comes in this kit and what is the difference. So this pack, of course, is a 5-patient kit, and the big difference is the size of the gel that comes in this kit. So this is the kit that comes in the Economy Pack. It actually has enough for 4 cycles, so you're going to do 3 cycles at the first sitting, and then the 4th cycle you can save for a follow-up for that patient. This is the comparison. This is the one that's in the Max 5, so you can see the Max 5 is designed for 3 cycles, and this one is 4. And so our gels have 35%. You can see it's a dual barrel syringe, so there's a catalyst and the hydrogen peroxide. And
the syringe comes separately.
Yes. So you'll see when you get your package that the syringes come outside of this packaging. So we're going to show you what is actually in the package of the Economy. So you can see you have 5 lip cream, and you have 5 Blue Seal, which is the gingival barrier. Of course, you have 5 face protection cloths and 5 Vita shade guides in here. So ultimately, this kit comes with a gel, lip cream, the Blue Seal, and the other supplies that you need.
And the dentist can store just the syringes without the kit.
Right.
Yeah.
So nice thing about this is that, you can put the syringes in the refrigerator, and this doesn't have to go in the refrigerator because there's nothing in here that needs to be refrigerated. So that is one of the nice things about this. It saves room in your refrigerator, which don't forget to refrigerate your hydrogen peroxide gels. Thank you.